The power within, unlocking, healing with your mind. Your mind is a powerful tool. It can heal your body. This is the incredible potential of autosuggestion. Autosuggestion is the practice of repeating positive statements to yourself. These statements or affirmations influence your subconscious mind. This can lead to remarkable physical changes. Imagine your thoughts as seeds. Plant seeds of healing and your body responds. Autosuggestion helps you plant those seeds. You can improve your health and well-being. It all starts with your mind. Are you ready to unlock this potential? The journey begins with understanding the deep connection between your mind and body. The mind-body symphony, where thoughts meet cells. Your mind and body are not separate. They are interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. What you think and feel affects your physical state, influencing everything from your heart rate to your immune system. This is the mind-body connection, a complex and fascinating interplay. Every thought releases chemicals in your brain, which then travel throughout your body. Positive thoughts release chemicals like endorphins that promote healing and well-being. Negative thoughts, on the other hand, release chemicals like cortisol that can cause stress and disease. Imagine your cells as tiny receivers, constantly picking up signals. They are listening to your every thought, responding to the messages you send. Choose to think positive thoughts, and you will send beneficial messages to your cells. This sends messages of health and well-being to every cell in your body, promoting overall wellness. The mind-body connection is a powerful force that can be harnessed for better health. By understanding this connection, you can begin to harness the power of autosuggestion, guiding your body towards healing and balance. Rewriting your health story. Real people, real results. Autosuggestion has transformed countless lives. People have used it to heal from chronic pain, overcome illnesses, and achieve optimal health. Consider the story of a woman suffering from chronic back pain. Doctors offered little hope. She turned to autosuggestion, repeating affirmations of healing. Gradually, her pain subsided. She experienced remarkable improvement. Another example is a man with a heart condition. He embraced positive affirmations and visualizations. He imagined his heart strong and healthy. His condition improved significantly. He experienced renewed vitality. These stories are not miracles. They are examples of the power of autosuggestion to transform health. From stress to serenity, breaking free from negative thinking. It's a journey that many of us need to embark on. Stress is a major contributor to illness, affecting both our mental and physical health. When you experience stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can have a profound impact on your well-being. Over time, these hormones can weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections and diseases. They can make you more susceptible to disease, leading to frequent illnesses and prolonged recovery times. Negative thoughts perpetuate the cycle of stress, creating a loop that is difficult to break. They keep your body in a state of fight or flight, which is exhausting and unsustainable. This can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of physical ailments, further complicating your health. You can break free from this cycle by adopting new habits and mindsets. Autosuggestion helps you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, fostering a healthier mental environment. This reduces stress and promotes relaxation, allowing your body to recover and rejuvenate. By cultivating positive thoughts, you create a cascade of healing within your body, enhancing your overall well-being. You empower your body to heal itself, leading to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Reprogramming your health. Practical steps for daily autosuggestion. Incorporating autosuggestion into your daily life is simple and can be incredibly effective. Begin by choosing affirmations that resonate deeply with you and your personal goals. These affirmations should be positive, specific, and stated in the present tense to maximize their impact. For example, if you want to improve your sleep, you might repeat, "I'm grateful for a restful night's sleep every night." Find a quiet space where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and repeat your chosen affirmation slowly. Focus intently on the words and truly feel their meaning. Consistency is key to success. Practice auto-suggestion daily, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they will be embedded in your subconscious mind, influencing your thoughts and actions. Remember, your mind is like a garden. Nurture it with positive thoughts and watch your health and well-being flourish over time. You are the healer, embracing your innate power. You have within you an extraordinary capacity for healing. Autosuggestion unlocks this potential. It empowers you to become an active participant in your own health journey. Believe in your ability to heal. Trust in the power of your mind to create positive changes in your body. Embrace the journey with patience and perseverance. There may be times when you doubt or struggle. Remember that every step you take towards positive thinking is a step towards better health. You are not a passive recipient of health. You are a powerful creator. Choose to create health and well-being. Join the movement. Unlock your full potential. The power of autosuggestion is transforming lives worldwide. Join the growing movement of individuals who are taking control of their health through the power of their minds. Unlock your full potential. Embrace the transformative power of autosuggestion. Experience the profound impact it can have on your physical well-being. Your journey to optimal health starts now. Take the first step and discover the incredible healing power within you. The science behind the miracle. Evidence for autosuggestion. Autosuggestion is not just a feel-good concept. It is backed by scientific evidence. Researchers have studied the effects of positive affirmations and visualizations on the body. Studies have shown that positive affirmations can reduce stress hormones, boost the immune system, and even change the structure of the brain. For example, a study published in the journal Psychological Science found that people who practice self-affirmations for 2 weeks showed increased activity in the brain regions associated with self-processing and reward. These studies provide compelling evidence for the power of autosuggestion to create positive changes in the body. Resources and support. Your journey starts today. Ready to embark on your journey of healing and transformation. There are numerous resources available to support you. Explore books, articles, and online communities dedicated to autosuggestion and the mind-body connection. Consider joining a workshop or online course to deepen your knowledge and practice. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There is a wealth of information and support available to guide you every step of the way. Embrace the power of autosuggestion and unlock a healthier, happier you.